this is the engine, transmission, and everything donor for the complete shell, or mostly complete, minus the front clip. I'll be removing everything from this to go into the silver car. As you can see, it was in a pretty bad accident. Even creased the roof over on this side. Busted the wheels. A lot of front end damage. But there still seems to be oil and everything in the block, so I'm hoping for best case scenario on it. I'm hoping it's okay. It does look like the transmission case is cracked in some places. I'm not really sure how bad. I guess I'll figure out later. But yeah, you can see a lot better on this side how serious of an accident this was. And up there, maybe you can see the roof crease. This car is really clean. It's missing the back seats that this one has. I got majority of the stuff I need on this car, which is the whole point of picking it up, but you can see some wheels broken. Got a good exhaust I'll be able to use. It's got a little mash place right there, but it's not too bad. So I'll probably, well, actually, that's part of the downpipe. The downpipe's actually mashed up really bad right here. You can't see it, but I might have to get a new downpipe. But the rest of the exhaust looks to be in pretty decent shape. I gotta get a new clamp for right here. Everything else seems good. And maybe I got some parts I can sell to recoup some of my money. Maybe the back bumper, trunk, spoiler, tail lights, stuff like that. They're in good shape. Maybe the doors. But, it's got a decent interior. So, a lot of usable parts for what I gave for it. But anyways, that's a brief little overview. This car's been here since I built my house. That's the reason it's so dusty. It's been here for almost 2 years. And I've just kept it waiting on a good body, or a good drive line for it. I had it shipped out from California over to here, Tennessee. It's had a long road trip. But I'm hoping I have the majority of what I need here to get it going. And then I'll just have to find a good hood and bumper and headlights, which I know are expensive, but I feel like by the time I get done, I'm going to have a very good deal on these cars. Right now, I've just started out unclipping injectors, trying to undo the wiring harness and get it all out of the way. I mean, most of it's destroyed, but I want to keep anything usable I might be able to use. You never know when you might need an extra clip or something like that. But I'm going to start with all the electrical connections, and then after that, probably take off this power steering and the AC compressor to try to get it out of the way. As you can see, this radiator's kind of mashed in here. Once I get those off, I'm going to try to take the turbo off and drop it off the bottom if I can. Take the exhaust manifold off. Go along from there. Really should get this radiator out. It's stuck. But anyways, let me get the camera on the tripod. Get to work. If you never remove these injectors, you just got this little metal clip. Once you get that popped off there, remove the injector. So make sure to keep that magnetic bowl over here. I'm putting all my stuff in. Throttle cable off. Put these bolts back on here so maybe I don't lose them. Everything unclipped, minus this one wire right here. Just go underneath. Sorry, I couldn't really show that. There's just a plug and the alternator and a singular wire going to it. Took off. Maybe we can there. You can see right there's the plug. You can kind of see the wire hanging. I just had to get under here to do that. But down here you can see how extensive this damage was. It's pretty bad. Pretty bad. But I'm hoping this transfer case is at least okay. The motor seems to be okay, like I said before. I've already found cracks in the transmission case, and I actually think it's busted right there. You can see a whole bunch of pieces. I hope that's just the transmission and not the transfer case. Maybe I can just get a new case. The transmission will be okay, but you don't know yet. We won't know until we get there. Get it all out and look at it. Well, that was just a brief intro of the cars and what I plan on working on. The next video will be more tear down. Maybe we can get the engine out pretty soon, but thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Subscribe, and you can watch the whole build process beginning to end till we start it up.